SDK.finance. Gate operations. Let's launch the application. In this session, we'll use browser with web application, Postman, and Interly IDEA to observe the code. The system is now ready to serve requests. First, we need to create a new user. Let's call it SDK Demo with OTP set to 1111 and a simple password. Now that the user is created in the system, we'll move on to create a new account for this user, for example, in euros. Next, we'll switch to Postman to authorize this user and obtain a token. Once we're authorized, we can retrieve the list of accounts. At this point, we have only one, the one we created earlier, in euros. Before we start with external operations, or what we called gate operations in SDK.finance, we need to understand that these are processed via providers. In this session, we'll focus on two types, top-up via provider and withdrawal via provider. Each process begins with checking which gate methods are available for the selected operation. Right now, for the account we created, no providers are set up yet for top-up or withdrawal operations. You can see that there are no providers available or set up to serve the request to top up this account with the selected serial. The same applies to the withdrawal operation. No providers are configured yet. To proceed, we need to configure the commission profile. Let's go to the admin panel, then to CRO, and then to vendors. Today, I'll show you how to fully configure and execute an operation via the Corefy provider. Let's start by creating the top-up operation for the euro currency. Now we create a commission profile for this provider. We set the start and end dates for the commission rule. Then we should choose the commission type. Then define the commission conditions for a range of amounts. Now we configure the provider commission. Next, we identify our user, an individual with a base contract type. Select the provider, Corefy, and create the operation. The provider is now available. Next, let's define a total commission. This total includes both the provider commission and the system commission. Choose the vendor commission type, fixed, for the amount range from 0 to 200. As for the contract commission, I'll set it a bit higher, 2.5. Now we'll check available methods for the top-up operation via provider. We can see that the Corefy provider, with its top-up method, is now available for the euro coin we created. We'll need to configure the withdrawal method as well. Go to Operation, choose Withdraw, select Euro, and then View. Set the commission period and direction. In this case, we'll use a different commission. In the contract setup, again choose the organization as individual and the contract type as base. Confirm by creating the provider, setting it to Corefy, with euro as the currency, and select Top-Up. Finally, check that both top-up and withdrawal methods are active for this provider. Each one uses a different service. That's it, our system is now fully configured and ready to execute top-up and withdrawal operations via the provider.